So, guys, what's going on? So, there's a lot of articles that are coming out about the stock market's going to crash and the bubble's going to pop. And that is necessarily not a bad thing because that will give you opportunity to buy stocks that you might not have been able to buy before. So, right now, the real estate market is very hot. If you look at some of my other videos, I show you, houses that I've bought and I flipped, things like that. And the real estate market is up and the stock market is up. And they're saying that the real estate market's going to, either drop or level off. I think it's going to level off, but the stock market may drop. So when the stock market drops or crashes, that's the time you buy. Same thing with real estate. When real estate drops, that's the time you buy, unless you find a good deal. And you can find good deals in this market. You have to look, and sometimes you have to look out of the state that you're in. Stocks. Let's go back to stocks. So there's a lot of good resources. Yahoo Finance, The Motley Fool, even Facebook groups can give you a lot of information on stocks to buy and maybe stocks to flip. Stock flipping is a little bit different than house flipping because it usually happens a lot faster. Sometimes if I'm buying a stock and I know that it may, either go up in a day or drop in a day, that will determine how I will buy that stock. If I'm either going to try to short something or I'm going to, buy something and I'm going to wait for it to, pop up and then I'll sell it. But these are all things that if the stock market's going up, that's good because you could buy as it's going up. And if the stock market is crashing, you try to wait till it gets to a low or a low you think where it won't go any lower and you buy it and, you hold it till it goes up again. Again, these are all very simplistic things. I'm keeping it very simple. But when I'm reading all these articles about how the stock market is crashing or it may crash or a bubble, that lets me look at stocks that maybe I couldn't maybe buy before. I have a lot of stocks. Some of them are, I guess you can call them expensive. Certain stocks like Amazon and Google and Tesla and Costco, things like that, those stocks are pretty high. They're not like some average type of stock that's selling, for $30-$40. You see things like AMC and GameStop. I'm not even sure you would call them middle of the road stocks. Those are kind of low type stocks. I don't even know what they're at anymore. I had AMC and I had GameStop, and then you buy them, they pop up, you sell them. There's this whole thing of holding and not holding, but you'll get into stocks that are thousands of dollars a share. I'm not sure exactly. I know Tesla, Costco, Amazon, those are very expensive stocks. And you can buy those stocks, but those aren't really stocks that you buy and you flip unless there's a big jump in the market. Anyway, I figured I'd share this. I'm looking at these articles. I'm reading through them, and I don't know. I got to see. It's kind of interesting. I'm looking to see what goes down, what crashes. What could I buy? It's almost like if the real estate market crashes, it's like, wow, what can I buy? What state should I buy in? Where should I go? And those are things that I always tell people to think about. I don't do a lot of videos on stocks. I should, but I like the stock market just like I like the real estate market. And I'm learning about Bitcoin and how that works. And there's Coinbase and a thing called Binance, things like there's different websites and apps and stuff that you could look at for things like these Bitcoins and these, cryptocurrencies, which I think are very interesting. I like those too. And those will probably be the future of currency. The Fed came out the other day and said that they want to they're thinking about doing some sort of digital currency. But probably in the future, you won't have any more physical money. Maybe 10 years from now, you'll have just like a credit card or something on like a phone or a watch. There probably won't even be a phone in the future. Who knows what it'll be? But what I'm saying is, look towards the future. Anyway, I figured I'd share that. I love stock market. I love the real estate market. I'm getting into cryptocurrency. I like that too. I tell people they should learn about all these things. These are all great things. I'm not going to lie. These things are gambling. but it's gambling with a little bit of know-how. You may have an edge if you know what you're doing. But I can buy ABC stock, and that could either shoot up or shoot down. But really, what it comes to is whatever that stock is, I'm doing some research, on that company to give me a better, an edge. I guess it's almost like if you were going to bet on a football game and you found out that the quarterback was injured, or the quarterback was having, there was something good happening. That's just like looking at a company and seeing if the CEO, something good is happening, or whatever. So I guess that's the best way to put it. I'm trying to keep it, like I said, as simple as possible, but definitely look into all of these things. They really are, I don't know. For me, they're fun. I like them. So that's it. All right. Guys, with that being said, I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope everybody's staying safe. And of course, please leave a comment below. I love to read your comments. I love reading your comments. I do these videos late at night when I come home. Sometimes I can talk loud. Sometimes I can't. Sometimes I'm yelling about video games right now. I mean, I'm a stock market guy and a real estate guy. I love all this stuff, but I love video games too. Anyway, whatever. Leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, and comment. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's staying safe. God bless you guys, and I will talk to you guys later.